hesitate. I want you behind my bedroom doors. Ready or not, we're about to speed up. I'm loving you, girl. I want you behind my bedroom doors. Ready or not, we're about to speed up, speed up, speed up. Take it